Sbahle is a popular South African musician and artist. She has gained a significant following and reputation in the music industry, particularly in the genres of masked handy and traditional Zulu music. Sbahle's music often features catchy melodies, meaningful lyrics, and a blend of traditional and modern styles. She has released several albums and singles, and has collaborated with other notable South African artists. A new snippet of a song has just been released on her official YouTube channel. In this new unreleased track, she features other masked handy artists like Mjolisi, Masompisi and Caesar's B. Her new hit single unreleased track is called Utheuyang Thanda. The song will be out soon and we can't wait to vibe to this new hit already making waves in the South African traditional music scene. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.